What is making that noise, James?
This.
Well, you better open it and find out.
Oh, freak! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Holy
Open it
smack! Really? Is this? Oh, my frick!
What?
Oh, God! iPhone!
This needs to
It's a freaking... This is... Oh, my God! Grandma, look at this!
What is it?
This is an iPhone!
Silver box.
This is an iPhone!
iPhone what?
Silver box.
Does it have the... Answer it!
Voiceover on.
Hang on, let's try and answer this thing.
Answer. Answer.
There. You're backwards, dude.
You're upside down. There you go. Hello? This side for a second.
What is it?
It's not even...
It answered. Yeah, I
Hi,
can
Mom.
hear it.
Thank you, and I got my iPhone. I don't know which one it is though. Is it the 5?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I got the S.
5S.
Oh, nice.
Stand for slow.
Siri.
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what?
Thank you.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I want to show Jalen. After I'm done talking to you though, I want to show him. I really want to show him.
No, it's just a simple box.
I can do that right off my iPhone. Hold on. Dad, did you get so... Yeah, hold on.